मेरे यूके के ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर्स, इट इज टाइम टू एग्जिट यूके, क्योंकि 20% एग्जिट टैक्स लगने वाला है भाई इसके बाद. The reason is because every single successful person, they are leaving UK. सब दुबई आ रहे हैं because they're getting worth of their money यार. Obviously it's a hard earned money. Why would they stay in a place where their money is getting burnt? Nobody wants to burn their money, no matter how rich they are, man. I mean, if you want to just spoil your money, you will buy a yacht, not just burn your money in taxes. See, that's the reason. If you are living in UK, sincere request, plan ahead before that 20% exit tax is implemented and start moving to Dubai. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, reach out to me, DM me. Your bhai is always there to help you out. Take care.